Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making pepper soup with pork. It's gonna be good. So this is 1 kg of meat. I got it from a new vendor in Makurdi, and I was intrigued by it because it's so clean. Normally when you buy pork meat from the market, it's very dirty, so I was very intrigued by this one. This is my second time of getting it from them. So we're going to be putting Irish potatoes into this as well. So I'm just showing you different ways with which you can incorporate potatoes into your meal. Let's get back to the meat. So this video is just going to be about cooking meat. Love cooking or cooking meat. And then this meat takes forever to cook, like forever. The first time I thought like something was wrong, like I thought I was doing it wrong. Like I've been cooking meat all my life, but my god, this meat takes forever to cook. But the good part of it is, if once it's done, it cooks well. The meat literally falls off the bone. Like at the end of the video, you would even see that. So I just kept adding water and checking it, and adding water and checking it, and adding water and checking it. Already you can see it's like almost falling off the bone. So it's very nice. I basically parboiled this with lots of pepper, not as much pepper because I'm going to keep adding pepper over time like I'm doing here. I parboiled it with just dry pepper, onions, spices, the mix. Now I'm about to add this. Now I just added pepper. This pepper has garlic in it, it has onions in it, and then I'm going to add pepper soup spices. These spices are all the spices that were ground together for the pepper soup. So everything came together to give me this yummy, nice smelling brown paste. It's everything. So it's my go-to pepper soup mix. I don't play with it. It has always come through, man. It's always come through. So yes, we're going to put this all in. Now this pepper soup is extremely pepperish. Like, it's not just the everyday pepper soup. So you are going to use half of everything I used if you do not like pepper that much. But this is going out to someone who loves pepper. So we're back to boiling. We're adding a lot of water, so I need to add a little bit more salt to taste, but that's about it. So we're back to boiling and checking, and boiling and checking to make sure that everything incorporates nicely. And as you guys know, I don't like tasting food, but like I was alone, so I had to do that. I had to take one for the team. So yes, I just did a lot of this, adding water, a lot of checking. Like, you can't just go and sleep. It's pepper soup. You can't just let it dry. So I just kept adding water. So now it's time to add our potatoes. The potatoes were very boiled, but not like mashed, not like mushy soft, but they are just hard boiled so that it can cook well. With the spicy mix as well. So as you can see, the bones are already falling out of the meat. That's to show you how well cooked it's getting. So we're going to let the potatoes cook. You can actually let this cook and then take it like this, or you can add veggies as I did at the end. Have you tried this recipe before? Have you had potatoes with pork in pepper soup? Let me know what was your method. How did you do it? As you can see, I just keep adding water and adding pepper. My sister reminded me that there was a black pepper mix I bought that I'd not yet used, so I added that as well. So this, see how rich that sauce is. So this just involves a lot of checking. Just keep checking the meat, keep checking your potatoes, make sure that everything is well cooked. Keep adding water because you don't want it to get too dry. So this dishing out now is for a taster. It's for a chief taster to let us know if what we're doing is on point. So the pepper soup is basically done right now. This meat takes time to cook. So my average cut from the market doesn't take this long to cook. This took forever. So that is done. You can take your pepper soup this way, or you can add few veggies into it to give you color, which I'll do at the end of the video, because as I said, this is going out, it's a client order, and I'm sure that they are going to love it, like totally sure. Yes. That looks good. So I just added veggies here and then water again as well, because I just steamed the veggies, but I want them to cook well. So that's that. We're done with our pepper soup. How do you make your pepper soup? What mixes do you put inside? When I went to the market, I realized that I have no idea like the names of pepper soup spices. I just go and say I want pepper soup spice, and then I pick a mix, and then I've done the platters so well right now that I have an idea of what I want. And most of the names, funny enough, most of the names are in Igbo, and I don't know most of the names in English, and I don't want to murder anybody's name, anybody's spice name. I don't want to kill anybody's language, so I'm going to just respect myself and not bother trying to pronounce them. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. It's very precious to my heart. It gives me everything every single time. It just makes it work. So we're going to dish a few into a few platters. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy this video, and I hope you try it out. Please subscribe. Have I said that? No, I haven't said. Have I said that today? I'm not sure. Subscribe to my channel. I promise you won't regret it.